Farmer charged with murder after relative is found dead. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the St. Andrew North Criminal Investigation Branch have charged a farmer with murder following the shooting death of a 33-year-old male said to be his relative. The deceased has been identified as Fabian Carr, otherwise called Pop, of Burkwood District Rock Hall in St. Andrew. Charge is Alton Levy, otherwise called Doop Dap, a resident of Burkwood District Rock Hall in St. Andrew. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that at around 7:30 a.m. on Saturday, March the 16th, Levy and Carr had a disagreement which escalated into a physical fight, during which Levy brandished a firearm and opened gunfire at Carr, hitting him in the head and upper body. On Monday, March 17 at around 8 a.m., the police received information of a body being seen in a house in Burkwood community. The lawmen visited the location and the lifeless body of Carr was seen lying on his back in a pool of blood with multiple gunshot wounds. An investigation commenced on Thursday, April the 3rd at around 10 a.m. Levy turned himself into the police and confessed to the offense. He later brought the police to where he hid the weapon and gave a statement thereafter. He was formally charged with the above-mentioned offenses on Monday, April the 7th. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.